Have you ever been on a cruise and realized you forgot something essential? Maybe you packed your swimsuits and fancy dinner outfits, but what about those small, unexpected items that could save the day? In today's video, we'll be sharing the must-have cruise essentials that you need to pack to make your next cruise smooth sailing. And we'll be including some of these things that you probably haven't even thought of. Noise-canceling headphones or earplugs. For me, having something to protect my hearing and to eliminate a lot of additional sound, especially if you're looking for quiet on a ship, it's important to have something that will cancel all the background sound. So I think at least earplugs or the noise-canceling headphones. So there are a ton of venues on the ship where the sound is extremely loud, and for me, it actually hurts my ears to being exposed to all of that. And I'm not ashamed or embarrassed to say that, but I do walk around with earplugs all the time. But I do need to call out my brother and sister-in-law who bought me this really great set of headphones. And what they are is automatic translation headphones. So I can actually put these in my ears, hook them up to my phone, and listen in on conversations into 150 different languages. A waterproof phone pouch. So whether you're lounging by the pool, heading out on a snorkeling excursion, or just dealing with some unexpected rain, a waterproof phone pouch is essential to keep your phone safe from water damage. These pouches are also really great for keeping your ID, your credit cards, and your cash dry when you're at the beach or on a water excursion. Plus, you can still use your phone's touch screen through the pouch, making it perfect for taking photos without any worry at all. A windbreaker, raincoat, or a poncho. So we've been on over 50 cruises at the time of this recording, and on every single cruise that we've ever been on, whether it was Antarctica, Japan, Barcelona, or the Caribbean, we've needed some kind of protection from the wind. So whether it's a raincoat or a poncho, we do a lot of walking, and you never know what kind of weather there is going to be. And I'm sure that there are days that you would like to go outside on your cruise. So when the ship is in motion, it's most likely that there will be some kind of wind. And sometimes you will feel the mist of the ocean on you while you're outside. So I've also seen many people not think of bringing anything, not even a sweater. So I've had a lot of people ask if they can borrow something because I bring excessive extra of everything. So my suggestion is to at least bring a poncho or some kind of a cover-up for your arms or a jacket. Health and hygiene must-haves. So you need seasick bands, patches, medication. Even if you think that you're not prone to seasickness, it's better to be prepared. Seasickness can hit unexpectedly, especially on sea days or during long stretches at a time on the sea. And I should add that it's also very difficult to find any kind of remedy while you're on board. So Kirk and I almost never get seasick, but I do carry bands and a small over-the-counter medication, which is over here, just in case. And it seems to be that we end up giving it to new friends who are on their first transatlantic cruise or somewhere in the Caribbean. Seasickness bands use acupuncture to help prevent nausea, while patches contain medication that you place behind your ear. So our best idea is that you should just choose what works best for you. Travel laundry detergent packs. Laundry services on board can be quite pricey. Bringing a few travel-sized detergent packs lets you wash small items in the sink, saving you money and keeping you fresh. On most cruise lines, you can wash your own clothes in a laundry tub or in your own cabin sink, and you will most likely find a clothesline in your shower as well. And you may not think that you even need laundry service on your cruise, but sometimes you may spill something accidentally on your favorite outfit or on your only dress pants. So instead of waiting for the laundry service, you can quickly wash your item in your cabin and let it dry overnight. Clothespins for your lounge chair and beach towel. So when we sit outside in the sun, we like to clip our beach towels down with a couple of clips each, because there's nothing more frustrating than having the towel just blow off in the wind. Not only that, you'll have made sure that you've secured your lounge chair while you are at the pool or at the hot tub, so the deck attendant doesn't accidentally remove your towel and all of your stuff. Magnetic hooks. So most cruise line cabin walls are typically metal, so magnetic hooks are perfect for hanging hats, lanyards, jackets, and even wet swimsuits. So I would suggest bringing a few strong magnetic hooks and use them to maximize your cabin storage space. We like to hang all kinds of things like our sweaters, jackets, lanyards, and the daily program. You can also hang clothing that needs a chance to dry or whatever else you can think of. A refillable water bottle. So staying hydrated is important on a cruise, but bottled water on board can be expensive. A water bottle saves you money because it can be refilled at drink stations. And if you can find a collapsible bottle, that's even better, as it will take up a lot less space in your packing and in your cabin. So we have water bottle holders that strap around our body, which is really convenient for us, especially on excursions or even hanging around in the ship's gym. It allows us to use both of our hands so that we can do things like record our videos for you. So, by the way, if you're getting value out of this video, would you please take a moment and like the video, and also, if you haven't already done so, if you could subscribe to our channel. We really do work hard on creating the right content for you to be more informed about cruising. So thank you very much for that. Beach bags. So a lightweight foldable beach bag is perfect for port days. It's easy to pack and can hold your essentials like sunscreen, towels, and souvenirs. We have one that we got from when we were in Club Orange on Holland America, and that bag has proven to be really convenient as it holds a lot of stuff. It is also water resistant and has a zipper to keep our items secure. Having a dedicated beach bag for beach days keeps your items organized, and it makes it easier to grab what you need when heading out. And I'm going to link the Club Orange video for you below so that you can get a good look at the bag. And Kirk does a little demonstration with the bag, so it's a really good video to watch. Hat, sunscreen, sunglasses. But it doesn't matter where you travel when you're on a cruise ship. You need to have a hat, sunscreen, and sunglasses. You may not realize it, but it does get really hot. And keep in mind, there is a lot of bright reflection off of the water, making it really hard to see without your glasses. Kirk and I personally love to collect baseball caps from different countries that we visit around the world. So I suppose that if you've been watching, you have been seeing in some of our excursion videos that we're wearing different hats from different ports that we're in. So that is one of the reasons, is because we're protecting ourselves from the sun. We also opt for long sleeves and long pants for a lot of our day excursions. We really don't want to get sunburned. And even as an added note, we look less touristy too, but that's another story. An RFID blocking wallet. So keep your credit cards and IDs safe from digital theft with an RFID blocking wallet. Ideally, you should choose a slim wallet that fits easily into your pocket or your purse. This way, when you're exploring a busy port, you don't have to worry about somebody skimming your card information. This makes me also think about a video that I think you should watch called Cruise Scams. It's an eye-opener that is kind of relatable to this topic, and I will link that for you in the description below. a travel-sized first aid kit, and other protection. So it's better to be safe than sorry. Include band-aids, pain relievers, motion sickness tablets, and any other personal medications that you may have. I would also suggest insect repellent and disinfectant. And I do have a list of other fun things that we like to bring. So we like to bring highlighters and a pen and a notebook because cruise ships provide daily schedules of activities, and I like to use a highlighter to mark all the events that I don't want to miss. We also like to bring something to entertain ourselves as well, such as things like a pack of cards or games, or even a list of trivia questions that we can test each other. And lastly, things like your favorite snacks or even health food that you can't get on a ship is also a great idea to bring with you. So, in summary, these are things that we like to pack for our cruises, and we hope that this list helps you remember some of the essentials for your next adventure. These things can make your trip more comfortable, feel more organized, and stress free. And I'm going to ask if we've missed any of your favorite items. If you could just let us know in the comments, that would be great. Anyway, we do hope that you had fun watching, and we'll see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.